Vikas, I keep hearing about KYC when investing in mutual funds. What exactly does it mean?
KYC or Know Your Customer is a requirement set by SEBI. Before you can invest, you need to submit your ID, address proof, and PAN details. It's a process to verify your identity and prevent fraud.
So, without completing KYC, I can't invest at all?
Exactly. It's a one-time process only if it's validated. If KYC registered, then the same needs to be reprocessed at the time of new investment with new AMC, that is Asset Management Company.
Is it difficult to complete?
Not at all. You can complete KYC online or in person. Many platforms offer eKYC, which is faster and more convenient.
Got it. I'll take care of that before I start investing.
An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.